In this video, we are reviewing the 10 most amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2025. These Amazon finds will completely change the way you cook, clean, and create in the kitchen. From futuristic tools that cut prep time in half to smart gadgets you never knew you needed. I'm counting down the most amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets. And trust me, number one will blow your mind. Stick with me till the end because I've linked every gadget below in description. Grab them instantly. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more epic finds every week. First on the list is the Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer, a must-have for anyone who loves quick, easy, and mess-free meal prep. This multifunctional gadget allows you to chop, dice, slice, and grate vegetables, fruits, and cheese effortlessly. With its sturdy design, sharp stainless steel blades, and convenient container, you'll save time and keep your kitchen clean. Upgrade your kitchen with the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a versatile countertop powerhouse designed to replace multiple appliances in one sleek stainless steel unit. With a 26-quart capacity, it's perfect for family meals, parties, and meal prep. Featuring 24 cooking functions, including air fry, toast, bake, roast, slow cook, broil, and even dehydrate, this appliance adapts to all your culinary needs. The French door design allows easy access and adds a professional look to your kitchen, while the digital controls ensure precise cooking every time. Equipped with 7 included accessories, like baking trays, air fry basket, rotisserie set, and more, this oven makes it easy to cook crispy fries, juicy roasts, pizzas, and desserts all in one device. The powerful 360-degree air circulation ensures even cooking with little to no oil, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Perfect for large families or anyone who loves convenience and versatility. Struggling to open jars, bottles, or cans? The Yotstar 3-in-1 Jar Opener is designed to make life easier for seniors, arthritis sufferers, and anyone with weak hands. Its non-slip grip and ergonomic design provide maximum leverage, letting you open stubborn lids and caps with minimal effort. Compact and lightweight, this versatile kitchen tool works on various jar sizes, bottle caps, and pull-tab cans, a must-have for every home kitchen. Make daily tasks simpler and stress-free with the Yotstar Opener, perfect for cooking, baking, and everyday meal prep. The manual meat grinder is a versatile kitchen tool designed for home cooks who want fresh, flavorful ground meat anytime. Crafted with durable stainless steel and a heavy-duty hand crank, this grinder effortlessly processes beef, pork, chicken, or even vegetables for burgers, sausages, and more. Its compact size makes it easy to store, while the detachable parts ensure quick cleaning. Perfect for anyone who values control over texture and freshness without relying on electric machines. Take your cooking to the next level. Grab your manual meat grinder today and enjoy fresh homemade meals with ease. The TrendPlane Oil Sprayer is a 2-in-1 kitchen tool that allows you to either spray a fine mist or pour a steady stream of olive oil, perfect for standardized, mess-free cooking. Its quick press of the lever delivers a fine, wide mist spray, great for air frying, salads, roasting. Slow or tip press releases a controlled stream for drizzling over proteins, veggies, etc. Each spray dispenses approximately 0.15 gran of oil, helping you manage oil intake precisely and reduce waste. Made from BPA-free glass with a non-toxic, odorless exterior coating, the interior is uncoated to ensure pure oil storage, free from unwanted taste or chemicals. Keep your fridge smelling fresh and clean with this powerful refrigerator deodorizer. Designed with natural odor-absorbing technology, it eliminates unpleasant smells caused by spoiled food, seafood, onions, and more, without using harmful chemicals or artificial fragrances. Compact and easy to place anywhere inside your fridge, freezer, or pantry, it works continuously to neutralize odors for weeks or even months. Ideal for families, food lovers, and anyone who wants to keep their kitchen smelling fresh. Transform your food waste into nutrient-rich compost right in your kitchen with this electric composter. Designed for convenience and eco-friendliness, it quickly breaks down fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and leftovers into natural fertilizer for your garden. It's eliminate bad odors and constant trash trips. This compact composter works silently, saves space, and helps you live sustainably. Perfect for apartments, small kitchens, and eco-conscious homes. Upgrade your kitchen routine and start composting today. Easy to clean and energy efficient. Hey foodies, let me tell you why the NutriChef Food Vacuum Sealer is my kitchen BFF. First up, it handles both dry and moist foods. I've sealed meats, veggies, and snacks, all fresh for weeks. Next, selectable sealing modes. It's like having a personal chef for your meals. Perfect for those meal prep days. Lastly, automatic air sealing. No more annoying leaks or spoilage, just pure convenience. Don't wait. Snag your NutriChef now and keep your food fresh forever. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1, designed to make cooking faster, easier, and guilt-free. Featuring a 5-quart capacity and air crisp technology, this versatile appliance lets you air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate with little to no oil, delivering crispy, golden results at up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick basket and crisper plate ensure effortless food release and quick cleanup, while the compact yet spacious design makes it perfect for families or meal prep. Whether you're making crispy fries, juicy roasted chicken, reheating leftovers, or creating homemade dried fruits, this air fryer is built to do it all. Compatible with 120 volts, the sleek grey finish complements any modern kitchen, providing power and style in one appliance. Key features: 4-in-1 functions, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate. 5 QT capacity, ideal for family meals or batch cooking. Air crisp technology, crispy texture with less fat, high heat up to 400 degrees for perfect results. Turn every meal into a quick, effortless masterpiece with this premium meat chopper and hamburger grinder. The ultimate tool for breaking up ground beef, turkey, sausage, or even mashing potatoes with ease. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant nylon, it's safe to use on all cookware, including non-stick surfaces, without scratching. Its ergonomic handle and 5-blade design ensure quick, even chopping and mixing, making meal prep faster and more efficient. Whether you're cooking tacos, burgers, or hearty sauces, this versatile smasher is built to handle it all while being easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Grab yours now and make chopping ground meat easier than ever. Don't forget to hit the bell, like and subscribe for more every week. All product link in description.